Hello everyone, you're watching Data Analytics Professionals and I'm Shahnaz Malik, and let's quickly jump into today's lecture slides. Now, as all of you are aware that this is a lecture series on SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and current topic for this lecture is SQL variable, and this is lecture number 39 given by myself. So just remember, variables are used to store data during the execution process, and the variables can be created for different data types and can also be assigned values. Additionally, variable assigned values can be changed during the execution period. The life cycle of the variable starts from the point where it is declared and has to end at the end of the batch. On the other hand, if a variable is being used in a stored procedure, and I hope I know that I have not discussed yet about the stored procedure, but bear with me. We will discuss this. I think I will create an advanced or intermediate SQL course, and in that I'm going to talk about the stored procedures. But at the moment, just bear with me with this terminology, and let's discuss. So on the other hand, if a variable is being used in a stored procedure, the scope of the variable is limited to the current stored procedure. In coming lectures, or courses, we will at some point reinforce this theoretical information with various examples. But for that, you have to be tuned to my account, and what I request is just connect to my account, keep watching on my hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload those videos as well, those courses as well, and then we'll discuss more about the store procedure. But at the moment, just bear with me. Okay, now the syntax to declare a variable is you start with a declaration of declare, and then you give the name of the variable, but it has to start with the at symbol. Okay, and then you can without any spaces write the name of the variable, and again then give the data type. Now, syntax to declare a variable and set its value, you can do both. And for example, again the same stuff, but set at variable name is equal to 123. Okay, then you have to set this variable name is equal to some value. Now, another way to declare more than one variable is, for example, you do the same thing, as I have shown above. And what I suggest is, I think I should no it's not a mistake, but let's follow. Now, now you can see that I've done the same thing here, but if you have seen this initial value, I will discuss this below, so don't bear with me. But what it is, when you are declaring more than one variable, all you have to do the same thing, but comma, and then at the rate of, again, another variable name, data type, and give initial value, and then comma, and so on, and it ends with semicolon. And parameters or arguments, what we have discussed here. The variable name, what is a variable name? The name to assign to the variable. Okay, now data type, the data type to assign to the variable. And initial value, this, as I said, this is an optional, and you can specify it or you don't need to. It is the value initially assigned to the variable when it is declared. Okay, hope this makes sense. It's very simple, to the point. And now I'm giving you an example. Declare, for example, I declare add dap variable varchar. I gave it the size also 100, and then I set the dap set add dap, this variable varchar 100, to some value, and then I can whatever value I need. Or I can do it all these two, both these two lines, I can declare it as one line. And for that, what I have to do is declare it remains same, then equals to some value. So I don't need all that. I can go it here and declare it in one line, and both does the same job. And let's now quickly jump into our open our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and have a look there. And maybe that way you will understand it in a better way. Now, if you see here on the screens, I have done a small exercise. So see, declare at variable. Okay, so I'm declaring at variable as varchar. Okay, I don't need to have varchar, to be very honest. You can declare it as like this as well. And then I'm giving the size, and then equals to Shahnaz Malik. I'm writing my name. So at variable has this stored value. Now I print this value because it is inside this, and let's see what happens. And if I execute, oh, I'm off. So see, here is the Shahnaz Malik coming. Okay, I was disconnected with the server due to some reason, and if you see, the Shahnaz Malik has come in, so it's working. And I can, if you can't see on the, if some of you are on the mobile devices, then I can show you using my magnifying glass, guys. 200% should. If you see now, I am, getting this Shahnaz Malik in the results, and this is working. Okay, I can again show you and execute it. Here it is coming as Shahnaz Malik. So that's excellent. Just to know how these things work, because all this will be, required in the coming lectures, in the advanced lectures of SQL. When I'm going to make, another course where I'm going to step now into intermediate level, and slowly take you to the expert level. And what I have to say that, we will need all this declaration and stuff there. We will do a lot more there about all this. I'm going to give you some examples in coming lectures in even this series. Maybe make a video or two about how to use now these variables, but more we'll talk about in intermediate and advanced level. So with that to say, if you like if you like this video, then please subscribe, connect to my account if you haven't done until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. I hope to see all of you in my new or next video, and until then, thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals, and remember, sharing is caring. With that, it's time to say stay safe and goodbye.